keyword this. It is used by any object to refer to itself in any class method. Typically it is used to avoid variable name collisions. Pass the receiver as an argument. Chain constructors. This keyword allows a method to refer to the object that is invoked in it. It can be used inside any method to refer to the current object. So for example, if you are going to see the box, width, height and depth is already assigned. For example, if you are having another class A, so for example, sometimes int w is equal to 10, int height equal to 20. So like that, it may be there. So whenever you are going to pass the parameter, so through a particular program, if you are going to pass a parameter for a particular box is a constructor. So here you are using a double width, a double height and double depth. So if the previously values are declared, even though, so whatever the parameters are passed, for example, box p equal to new box 10, 20, 30. So what it means? It means you are passing some arguments to the particular directly to the constructor. Sometimes values are assigned like width equal to 10, but for this particular method it should be applied. So for that purpose, what we are going to do is this dot width, this dot height, this dot depth. It means this is not going to override the previous objects. For that purpose, we are using a method called this. So here we are using a my class int x. So here we are using a my class, so which is a constructor parameter. So class name is my class. Here we are having a class name my class. My class is a class name, but here what we have declared constructor with parameter. My class is a constructor. So here we have created a parameter index. So now what we are going to do, this dot x equal to x. Here if you are going to observe x equal to 10, so you may have some value. So x equal to 10 may have some value, but here what we have done, this dot x equal to x means whatever the argument we are passing through here. So class my object equal to new my class of 5. What parameter we are passing here? 5. So this particular value is passed to int x. So what will happen at that time? That is going to take the value as x. So then this is used to assign the value which is passed by the object of constructor. In constructor or method you can able to take, but it is going to assign this value, not that value. X equal to 10, not that particular value. This value it is going to take, where it is referred by the object of the class. So new my class, my object new class is 5. So this particular class 5 is passed to x, and this dot x will be printed. So now in order to retrieve the particular value of x, this dot x, so now my object dot x. So now let us see what will the output. Here it is going to show x equal to 5. So what is 5 here? Here we have taken a 5. So 5 is going to pass by this here. My object class equal to new my class. So this is the instance which is going to be here. So this is going to accept this method which is passed as a parameter newly. So that particular object will be taken by this. That is the purpose of this operator in Java. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.